Hello everyone and welcome. I am going to be doing an unboxing video. This is the box that I just got from eBay. So let's open it up and see what we have here. Let's turn around like this so we hit the camera. Alright, so I don't have enough space here. So let's just remove the box and see what we got here. And this is a motherboard that I got from eBay. Extra parts, I guess the seller put everything. Oh, okay. I'll show you guys what it is in a bit. That's another video card, a network card, I guess, wireless network card. And this is the main thing right now. Wow, he did really package really good. Okay, so this is the main thing. Oh, sorry. And yeah, it's an ASUS motherboard. Man, it's heavy. And this is the P5N32-E SLI. And I think that's not the actual name. I think this is a like a Striker Extreme. It looks very similar to this motherboard that I have here somewhere. I'll be back. Right here. This one right here that I have. But the only difference are the heat sinks, from where I can tell. Oops, I don't want to knock that thing out. Oh, that's flimsy. Yeah, so if you see, put this like that. Ooh, that's not good. This is moving. I have to replace that one. It's the same, almost the same motherboard. There's some difference though. The heat sinks are bigger. This has a digital thing, whatever it's called. I guess it's for to see what's any codes it has. And it has this one, I don't know what's it called, but I think it's the SATA 3 connection. But yeah, this one doesn't has that. Man, it's heavy. See, it doesn't has it right there. And the heat sink's different. But as you can see right here, this sticker comes out. So I'll probably might be pulling this off and showing you guys what it actually is. But I'm guessing it's a copy of this one. But this is an OEM for a system. And I think it was used on the, what do you call, the buy power or buy more power, something like that, the computer company, whatever. I'll look it up and I'll put it in the video. So, but yeah, definitely it's just almost the same thing. So I bought this not because of I wanted the motherboard, I wanted the processor that's in here. And this is going to be used on this one. Hopefully, I haven't tested this one yet, but I'm hoping this one works so I can actually use this one because it's a really nice board. But if not, well, I got parts from this one. I can actually make work this one. So yeah, so stay tuned. There's a video coming up for this. And yeah, this is a nice motherboard. The reason I wanted to get this going is because I have several graphics cards that I need to test, and that's the reason I got this. So yeah. So yeah, let's look at the stuff that I have here. Well, let me show you guys real quick. So yeah, this is a LAN, wireless LAN adapter. And I think this is a sound card. Yeah, it's a creative sound card, PCI. So that's good to have because I can actually use it on your thing. And this one is just a graphics card. It's a cheap one. I really don't know what model it is. It's a 7300 GS. So yeah, definitely good to have. Add it to my collection, I guess, because I don't have that one. And this one is actually part of this, but it was the audio riser for this thing, and this one goes right here. This one right here. Yeah. So that's why I'm believing this is the same motherboard as this one, because this part actually belongs to this, but since this is a cheaper version, they had it on this one too. They can actually add it for that, and that's good to have. And this is just a fan. I think it's an LED fan. Yeah, old school LED fan, which is not bad. It's been cut though. Well, I'm not gonna use this. It's probably just gonna be in my stash of fans in case I need them. Okay, so that's it. That's the only thing I'm gonna show you guys in this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.